What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Now, I'm gonna do something I haven't done in quite a while, which is basically take you guys along for the ride my entire day today. So first thing I'm doing today, hopping in the 86, heading up to our friends up at Delicious Tuning, and they're gonna get this thing all sorted out. So I'm excited for that. Excited to see if this thing's fast or not, we'll see. And then I think we have a couple Subaru projects to tackle today as well. So stick around, guys, it's gonna be a good one. So yeah, this car is automatic. I know I've been seeing the comments below. This is Ryan's daily driver, so you know what? An automatic's not too bad in traffic, even though I prefer manuals and all my cars have always been manual. Having an automatic doesn't seem too bad all of the time, especially in Southern California traffic. Guys, back at it again with Zach. What's up, Zach? Good morning.
Morning.
This time we have an automatic 86 with the turbo kit. So how do you think it's going to do today?
Hopefully really well.
Not too excited about this one, but we'll see. I mean, honestly, these cars from factory, they just need more power. So I'm hoping this is gonna bring it up to a level that's like very enjoyable to drive as a nice daily driver. That's my goal. It's not gonna be the fastest car in the world, but as long as it's got some kick to it, I think Ryan's gonna really enjoy it.
It'll definitely be fun, that's for sure.
It's pretty quiet, but it moves pretty good. Feels a lot nicer.
Yeah, it's like OEM Plus.
Yeah. Let's see how she does. Which is good. Stock 86 barely moves anywhere. Barely gets up and goes. This thing it's like very OEM Plus feel to it. Does not make a lot of turbo noise. Definitely has a significant increase for acceleration. But overall noise, nope. So just finished with Zach. Now I know what you guys are thinking, or a bunch of you guys have been commenting, oh, you didn't dyno tune the car. This is a very, very basic setup, and with most basic tunes, Delicious doesn't really recommend doing a dyno tune because they have done hundreds of cars in the same exact way. So he can look at all the values on the laptop. Street tune is totally fine. This car is pulling very nicely, very smooth. Zach's very happy with it. Talked to Bill, the owner of Delicious Tuning, a bunch about this, and you know, overall, this car is great. I'm gonna save some of the in-car clips so when Ryan comes to pick it up, I wanna catch his first reactions. I think that's gonna be really, really fun to see, because I'm telling you guys, if you've never driven a automatic 86 or FRS or BRZ that does not have any mods done to it, they are very painfully slow. I really think Toyota, Subaru, however you want to put it, really messed up with that. I think there should have been an STI version that had a small turbo, something like this, because I think it would really would have elevated the entire platform. Now, that being said, we're all done here. I'm heading back down to the Hunt quarters, getting the car ready for Ryan to come pick it up, and we'll see what other WRX projects we can get into today. So stick around, here we go. Just got word that Ryan is here to come check out his 86. Let's go show it to him. All right, guys, so we got Ryan here. Hello, and Ryan's dad is in the back, and we're gonna go out for a little test drive here. We'll let Mr. FedEx drive by. All right, so we're gonna get his first reactions. So see what you think, because you've been driving this car for a while now. Go right here. Right. Yeah, we're gonna go out kind of onto the street here. How long have you been driving this car for?
It's about a year now in August.
About a year.
Oh, yeah, just passed a month.
So like under normal driving, I don't think you're gonna notice too much of a difference. The drive's normal, I mean, to me. All right, we'll check back in with you guys when we're on a nice road. Yeah, there's some bumpy roads around here. As close, this setup I think is like as close to an OEM Plus type situation. This way, right here. I really like it. I think, you like it?
It sounds nice, yeah.
Good.
I think that's just the power that it was.
Yeah, exactly. And then like I said, if you want to go with another 50 to 75 horsepower, it's really not that hard at this point.
Yeah.
Flex fuel kit, retune. It's great. Yeah. It's so smooth. I actually don't mind the transmission either. It's really nice.
It's like smooth.
Yeah. Doctor! I think you did pretty good. That side.
Did we just make a video?
Ha! If only this thing wasn't hammered, I mean, woo! People have been asking about this for literally months since we bought the car. Finally we have it. Now, obviously the paint is in pretty rough shape, but
Yeah,
we knew
it's
that.
two different colors of blue.
Yeah, we knew that when we got it. We got a good deal on the wing. And we still have to do the wiring, we still have to bolt it up, but man, first impressions, very nice.
Definitely changes the overall feel or like
Just
aggressiveness, I guess.
Yay. So the last thing we have to make sure we install with this, because the new wing is quite a bit heavier, we actually picked up the support rods basically that provide tension to pop the trunk. So right now it's pretty heavy. So let's see how these things go in. Yeah, so if you come down here, so you can see the rods back here. I think you just kind of pop them out right here on both sides with these ones, which are either a thicker diameter or they're bent a little bit more aggressively so that it helps lift the trunk up. So we'll check in with you guys when these are all installed. I think it should just be pretty straightforward. All right, so I just got the factory trunk spring, or whatever you want to call it, out, and this is the new STI wing one. So yeah, I was right before. Basically, to increase the strength of the spring, they increased the diameter of the metal. So pretty straightforward. These were a little bit challenging to get out. These might be a bit of a pain to get in, but once they're in, then the trunk will pop up the correct amount and we shouldn't have any trouble. So let me show you guys what it looks like when they're installed. Let's give it a tester. All right, little pop, and all right, and there we go. Project is now complete. Now, just to let you guys know, obviously this wing is not painted. So now that it's installed, we're gonna go ahead and bring it over to the paint shop. They're gonna do color matching, make sure everything is looking good, but overall, I mean, woo! I know you guys have been asking for this for so long and we finally did it. Man, that looks so killer. Even though the paint is pretty crappy, man, that looks sick. I love it. It's not permanent, but I will say it does look a ton better. So if you guys like this video and you wanna follow more of this build, I will link up the playlist up here, so go check it out. We pretty much got it 100% stock, and now if you look at it today, you'd hardly even recognize it. So thank you guys so much for watching. We do really appreciate every single one of you guys. And if you have any comments or questions for us, please drop them in the comment section below. We do read them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Tune into the next one. We'll see you guys. Peace.